Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth on the Samsung Galaxy A3. To fix Bluetooth, the first step should be to go into Bluetooth settings, turn it off, and then turn it back on again. If this doesn't work, you can try going into settings, scroll down to General Management, tap on Reset, and then reset network settings. Then tap on Reset Settings and reset settings again. This will reset all of your network settings, both Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. If this, however, does not end up fixing your Bluetooth problem, you might have to take your phone to a technician to get it fixed. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.